Hirap.
Differential lock?
Yeah,
You're on the ice there. I just get it straight.
thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it takes a lot of practice, man, backing up.
I know.
Even I've been driving, like I said, almost a year and a half, and I still have trouble sometimes, you know.
Yeah.
Just got to be patient, man.
Yeah.
Take your time. Don't worry about, like there's a truck sitting over there, don't worry about them. They just got to wait, you know.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
'cause you can bet somebody waited on them at some time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How come you moved to Canada instead of United States?
That time, Canada is the easiest way for.
Oh, okay.
So my wife is a nurse. She has application in New York City, but when we already live in Canada, we kind of like it there. Yeah.
Oh, really?
So she's a nurse there. But we have a lot of family here in the States. Now wherever I go, a family come to see me.
Oh,
Like
okay,
last
that's
time
good.
when I went to Houston, Texas.
That's where I'm from.
Yeah, I went there, Houston, because my load was going to Hidalgo, a Mexican load. So a Mexican trucker met me at Hidalgo at the border.
Oh, really?
It's a reefer load. So when I went to Houston, a family came, and I went to Laredo, a family came, and then San Antonio, you know, Dallas.
You got family everywhere, huh?
Yeah. Filipinos are everywhere in the States.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think there's only one guy here to unload.
Ah, okay. So
They'll
it will
probably
take time.
unload you, and what they do, you know, they turn the red light on.
No, not yet. So once the red
Yeah.
light, it
When he'll turn it on, then he'll unload you, and then he'll turn it off. And then you pull out, close your doors, go get your paperwork.
okay. So the green light won't work, huh?
No.
So that's the green now. It's off. That's the green
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
And I don't know why.
Yeah.
I can't remember if they were working when I was here last time. I know the red one does.
So the last time you went here, how many hours you waited?
Not long.
Not long. Okay.
You know, maybe an hour.
But for now, you will wait because they will unload this first.
Yeah, I bet, because your appointment was at 7 and mine was at 8.
Yes.
But so I'm thinking he'll unload you first. But
Okay.
he came out on the forklift. The guy we saw at the gate, he was out there picking up the trash things and putting them up. So
Okay.
I'm thinking he's the only one here.
Okay. So now.
Last time I was here, there were like, you know, a few trucks coming and going. Like some of them come and they just pick up trailers. I think that's what that guy over there is doing.
Oh, okay.
But while I was here last time, there was only like 3 trucks. There was one leaving that I think it got unloaded, and then one was here already, and then one was coming in.
Okay.
And I don't think I was here about an hour, maybe.
So
an hour.
after here, you have a load.
Yeah,
Oh,
and I'm going back to Tennessee.
and then
It's 60 degrees in Tennessee.
60 degrees. Nice.
No snow on the ground.
I know, but up north in Canada, oh my God, freezing like in Celsius, minus 43 Celsius. Like we have winter storm all the way there, blizzard. It's common to us. A lot of trucks ditch.
I couldn't do that. I don't know. My brother married a girl, she's from Ohio, and then my sister married a guy, he's from Pennsylvania. And I went up there a few times, like in Houston. Very, very seldom do you get snow.
Yes.
Sometimes, and it won't stay on the ground maybe 12 hours, no more, it's gone.
I know. Yeah, when I went to like Texas, wow, it's hot here. I wear shorts.
Your wife don't miss you?
She missed me, but she's supportive, you know.
Yeah,
So
that's good.
Yeah. Because before I decided to go to school, I already talked to her because it's an important decision, you know. I will be away most of the time.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go down there and check, because if they unload me
okay,
and turn the light off, I won't ever know it. So
Okay,
good talking to you, man.
Thank you, sir. What's your name, sir?
You say Bill.
Bill. My name is Marlon.
Marlon.
Marlon Brando. You know Marlon Brando?
Marlon Brando.
Okay, Bill.
See you later.
Nice to you. So guys, ako ay tapos na. Ito yung truck ko. Ngayon, gusto ko lang magpasalamat doon sa nagtulong sa akin pag backing dito. Napaka-tight. Yung isang tracker doon, puntahan ko. Yan o, nang kulay blue. Pasalamatan ko siya. Kahit papano tinulungan niya ako, no, kasi ang hirap talaga. Yan.